Welcome to my channel. Today's video I will be making a Valentine's Day arrangement. You will need clear beads, clear glue, a vase, a flower that you took off the stem, and a tea light candle LED light. On to the video. The first thing you're going to do is add the beads into the glass. Do not pour it directly in because it will crack the glass. Do not use silk flowers because once they get wet, they'll get ruined. It'll take all the color out of them. I found that out the hard way. I had bought the realistic looking roses. They're a $5 stem. So I turned on the faucet for the tub and just turned the water on, and I watched the red go totally out of them. They turn it to black. So you cannot use water silk flowers. You have to get a can of air to blow off the dust. I'll put these in here really quick. Get an even layer. Put the flower in the center. Then we're going to pour in the glue. I never done this either, but I seen it done before. I'll be back after it's done. To get the air bubbles out, I use a toothbrush, and you just go in, poke them. Because we want it as smooth as possible. Now we let it set. We can always go back and clean up the glue that got on the glass after it sets. It is not fully set up with the glue yet, so I can't put the candle on top of it. I don't know how long it's going to take to set up, but once it does, I'll update the thumbnail for you guys. This is what it looks like for the moment. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.